How to convert MP3 to text in Switch. Add your MP3 files to Switch. Choose .txt as the output format. Then click Convert to turn them into text files. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to convert MP3 files to text in Switch. Begin by adding your MP3 files to Switch. You can drag and drop them into the program, or click the Add Files button to select them manually. Next, set your output location by typing a folder path in the Save to Folder field or clicking Browse to choose a destination. In the Output Format dropdown, select .txt to convert your MP3 files into text. If you're working with multiple files, Switch will convert all files if none are selected. To convert only specific files, hold the Ctrl key and click each file you want. Once everything is set, click Convert. After the process is complete, click Open Output folder to view your converted text files. For more Switch tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.